everybody go chop breakfast. I have that song in my head, sorry. Hello, hello, hello. Very ashy because I've just taken a shower and I've not finished. I've just cleansed my face. Loads of freebies. I got this one, this Rodial Vitamin C. I actually have my own vitamin C serum, but this has been lying down there forever. And I'm just thinking that I might as well use it, so I thought I'll come and have a chat with you guys. Oh, this looks thick and nice. I have a feeling that these serums are always thicker than the actual thing. But yeah, it's, well, ooh, it smells so good. Ooh. I'd use this brand, Rodial. I'd use this because sometimes I tend to flirt with my product. I'd use this like my night cream. It was so rich. It was so expensive as well. But it had this rich smell. Wow. I'm doing this because I can say summer is finally trying to show its head on us. Yes, and I'm not going to pretend as if I don't know that I'm wearing my sister's hair bonnet and I've not had time to style it yet. So it's a no day today. It's a Saturday. It's midday and I have to be honest, you guys. Any content creator you see who gives you guys content, please appreciate it. I'm not a full-time content creator as such, although I do produce videos and I've been doing that for 2 years and a bit. But the time, last night I had a video. By the way, if you've not watched my birthday vlog, that dropped this morning at 9, so you can see how far back I am. And I couldn't sleep because work has been, let me just be doing my skincare while we're talking because I have to go out. So this is the Rodial, the same brand, but this is like the moisturizer. It has SPF 50 and the sun is out. So is it SPF 50? Yes. So I opened it yesterday. Although my normal facial cleanser has SPF 30 and I always use sunscreen, but that same rich smell. Anyway, so I have this deadline to produce a video, and because work has been so hectic over the past 3 weeks, so I finished work yesterday on a Friday and I stayed up. I knew that I had to publish that video today. Believe it or not, I stayed up all night. I started in the morning, but I was working, so it was just light touch. After my walk about 9, I sat down and I worked till 8 this morning. The video went live at 6, but there were loads of checks. So if you've not watched it, head over to watch it. It was a beautiful event, if I say so myself. But putting it together, just giving back memories. And I just wanted to say that content creation is not for the faint-hearted. It took me so long, and the least you can do, guys, if you've been watching content creators, support them, see if they've got memberships. I'm starting mine. See if you just like and share. If it's educative stuff, that always goes a long way. I have digressed. I have digressed. I came to show you guys my week, so I'm just about to go out. Lashes. And I'll quickly just straighten, nothing fancy because I'm only going out to run a few errands. My girls are getting their hair braided tomorrow, so I'm going to get the hair and come back and sleep because I need sleep. I do. This is the, this is the week. It's so good. If you want to bribe me, just give me hair. I don't think that I can have enough hair pieces, but this one is so special. It really is, not because it's my sister's, but because the quality is really good. So yeah, that's it. And I'm going to just, it's my first time wearing it. Literally, I just cut the front. Look at how it fits without me doing anything. Look at how it fits. I'm going to straighten it. I'll do that off camera, otherwise I might waste too long. If you've not got a Gansey Fame week, what are you waiting for, my darling? Honestly, I'm not biased or anything. If you know me, I'm not really into, you know, being overly careful with hair as such. I keep looking at my viewfinder. Sorry, I'm not cross-eyed. I'm just loving it. Look at, it's been 2 minutes. Look at, this is the first time I'm wearing this wig. I need no pre-care, none of that. Too warm for makeup. I'll just I'm not even going to do my eyes. I'm just going to maybe put lip liner, do a no makeup look, quick and dash out. But I'll show you guys my feet before I go in a minute. This is not sponsored in any shape or form, but if you're looking for a light wig, glueless, she has all sorts. This was like what I wanted for the summer because of the fact that it's very warm and it's just easy to put on. Black, you can make it shorter. I was thinking to cut it, but I just love it. Oh, my girl, it's good to marry well. We have married well. We have married well. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I have to wear the right color of I have to actually tint this, but not today because my outing today is very unserious. That is my fit. Yeah, I bought it yesterday from Asda for £9. It's beautiful. Outdoor walks in the countryside. I would not trade this for anything. Just look at the view. Let me show you the view I can see. There are certain things that we take for granted. I live in a very peaceful countryside in Cheshire, and after living here for over 6 years, I didn't quite appreciate how lucky I was to have the outdoor space that I do. Very calm, it just makes my mental health in a better position, and I've embraced this fully for the past few weeks, and I'll share the results. It's amazing. I forgot to record before. I've put 2 eggs. I've put a cup of 1.5 cups of oats. 2 spoons of Greek yogurt, frozen banana. I'm just going to put some ground cinnamon now. I just eyeball it. Oopsie. And then the last thing to put, normally you can put milk, but because I'm trying to do a low calorie thing, I've just put water, a cup of water. And I'm going to put some vanilla to enhance the cinnamon. And give that a blend, and that'll be our pancake, healthy pancake. It's a pity.
See my food? See our food? Are you going to eat it?
Yes. Really? Oh, Don't judge how I look, guys. Don't judge how I look. Several days later. Hi. I'm having lunch. I forgot to put my camera on, but I'm having a working lunch because it's the day of boys end of season award. Just really recognizing all the age groups at Manchester City, where he currently is in the under 15 year group. So how are you all doing? This is what I'm having for lunch. I've been very strict with my 1 meal a day. Today I'll be put to test because there's obviously food, but I'll finish my fast about 4 because I eat within a 3-hour window, and I would not eat again. But I'm working. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my hair today. I'm so stressed because I had an exam which I just took and I passed. Yay! An ITIL exam. So I have just been all over the place, and I came quickly to make myself. This is what I'm eating. Let me just show you guys what I'm having. I'm having like aubergines, courgettes that was grilled in the oven. I think there's a video on that. Boiled eggs and some couscous, some Moroccan style couscous, which I did separate. I'm adding. I just started eating. I broke my fast today about 1 o'clock, and I'll eat till about 2:30, maybe have a fruit, and that'll be me till tomorrow. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Maybe we're ready to go with my husband and one of our kids. We'll have to choose one randomly because it's only invitations for 3 people. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Mamacita, I'm going to give credit to this beauty. It's from Skylar Glam. I just took a shower, got ready, no makeup. I'm just gonna put lip gloss and quick fit check on a banging body, if I say so myself, and my outfit was from Zara. Okay, let's go. We're here again. I think this is like our 7th time attending the end of season awards at Manchester City Academy. Every time we come in, it feels like just yesterday when Tristan was a little on the 8th, and this is our big lad now. We came to just witness the end of year event together as a family. I'll take you guys as much as I can.
Season started with their pre-season camp over in Germany, where bonds were made on and off the pitch, trips to the water park and games against Bayern Munich and RB Salzburg. 2 standout tournaments to highlight this season for this group. Firstly, the 5v5 BWK Cup, finishing as runners-up after narrowly losing out to Dortmund, but what an amazing experience playing in front of 2,000 spectators. And secondly, a very Italian-sounding tournament that I'm not even going to try to pronounce, in Naples for the 2009s. Winning the tournament was a huge achievement, beating a host of Italian teams, Napoli in the quarter-final, Fiorentina in the semi-final, and Sassuolo in the final. Season were Man United away and Liverpool at home in the Floodlit Cup, playing some fantastic football and beating local rivals in the City way. 6 England call-ups and 2 French call-ups really does highlight the quality of this group. The Kevin De Bruyne tournament is still to come next week, with Anderlecht and RB Leipzig waiting for us in the group. So please welcome the under-15s onto the stage. Tristan Attu, Lucas Clark, Luca Kroller, Baron Duran.
I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a few days in my life here and there, and we ended the evening feeling great. The boys have all done well. They had a great season, and I show you guys this every year. If you enjoyed this,
Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye.